Hello children, Priya Miss is here. Today we will revise adjectives. You have already learnt about adjectives in evaluation 3. Adjectives are the describing words. Describe means वर्णन करणे. Describe म्हणजे वर्णन करणे. An adjective describes a person, place or thing. A word that tells something about a noun is called an adjective. It is also called a describing word. Let's see a small video.
Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, animal, place, or thing. For example, 2 chocolates, yellow butterfly, big car, round table. Here the words 2, yellow, big and round are describing the nouns chocolates, butterfly, car and table. Words used for numbers, colors, size and shape are adjectives. 2 tells about the number of chocolates. Yellow tells about the color of the butterfly. Big tells about the size of the car. Round tells about the shape of the table. Adjectives describe feelings as well. For example, an angry frog. Adjectives mostly come before noun.
So children, keep in mind that adjectives are describing words. A hot day. Here, the word hot describes a day. Adjectives tell us about the colors of nouns. A red cap, a green tree, a pink flower. Adjectives tell us about sizes and shapes of nouns. A big house, a round ball, a square box. Adjectives tell us about some special qualities of nouns. A hot coffee, a sunny day, a beautiful painting. Adjectives tell us about the numbers of nouns. 1 fox, 2 plates, 4 bananas. Let's see how to describe a person. John is a boy. John is a tall boy. Here, the word tall is an adjective. It describes the boy. Let's see some more examples to understand better. A pretty girl, a fat boy, an old man, a poor man, a short man, a thin girl. Children, let's know some words which you can use to describe people. Polite, cheerful, funny, shy, hardworking, lazy, helpful, famous, rude. Rude means asabhya, uddhat. Rude, friendly. We can describe hair as straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair. For describing eyes, we can use word green eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes. Now listen carefully. What does she look like? She is tall and slim. Slim means patla. Slim म्हणजे सडपातळ. She is tall and slim. She has got short dark hair. What does he look like? He is short and fat. He has got wavy brown hair. Now children, you describe here all the family members and share with your sibling or parents. Children, in the last video, you heard about the mysterious little girl Sonali. Mysterious means difficult to understand and explain. How was Sonali? Sonali was a mysterious girl. The word mysterious describes Sonali. Mysterious word is telling more about Sonali. Now let's describe some nouns. Monkey. To describe a monkey, you can say a long-tailed monkey, a funny monkey, a black-eyed monkey, a mysterious monkey, a brave monkey, an angry monkey. Now let's describe a dancer. A good dancer, a graceful dancer. Cookies. 4 cookies, delicious cookies, brown cookies, round cookies, crunchy cookies. Spaceship. A big spaceship, mysterious spaceship, powerful alien spaceship, huge spaceship, big scary spaceship. Next noun is puppy. A cute puppy, a little puppy, a fat puppy, a healthy puppy, a 6-week puppy. Jacket. A black leather jacket, a short jacket, one jacket, a green jacket. Now let's describe mangoes. Sweet mangoes, fine ripe mangoes, juicy mangoes. Small mangoes, big mangoes, raw mangoes. Toys. Tiny toys, shiny toys, new toys, old toys, clean toys, wooden toys, broken toys. Now children, complete the page number 65, question 1. Now look at this question number 2. Paste photographs of 2 of your favorite cartoon characters. Write words that describe them in the given space. The space is given here. Children, here in the given squares, you have to paste a photograph of your favorite cartoon character. Here, 3 questions are given for the one character. Read the question, then use some words given in the help box. The help box is given here. Use some words given here in the help box. To describe the body, here tall, short, heavy, these words are given. To describe a nature, gentle, funny, brave, angry, these words are given. And which things your character like to do, for that you can use words meet friends, play, help others, etc. For example, here we'll take a cartoon character, Chutki. What does she look like? She is tall. What is her nature? Let's find word from the help box, or we can use our own word. She is brave. What does she like to do? Help others. We know that Chutki like to help others, so we'll write she like to help others. So children, in this way, complete the page number 66. Thank you. Take care.